Buffalo, which is only a 30-minute drive, and they booked us on the other side of the Big Island. So now we are driving almost 2 hours to get there. We had crazy traffic, one lane, trying to get over here, so we're going to be a little bit late for check-in, but hopefully that won't be a problem. They told us to wear dark clothing so the reflections in the window are minimal, which is smart. We're just on our way there now. Anything to add?
It'll be fun. I'm pissed that it's 2 hours away. Plus, the lady that booked it I thought was extremely rude. But other than that, whatever.
She booked us in the wrong one. We didn't realize it till like 11:30 last night, and so that's kind of our fault for not looking ahead of time to make sure that it was out of the correct helipad, but can't wait to see Big Island from the air. It's gonna be great. We just saw feral goats on the side of the road. Greg is just eating it up right now. He's so excited. I missed them on video, but there's some goats in a pen, but there's also feral goats.
Some way over there, but you won't be able to get it on camera.
No.
We got some more wild goats.
Wild goats.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's have horns too.
Oh,
They mean
yeah.
business. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park has 7 ecological zones. These include alpine, subalpine, upland forest, rainforest, mid-elevation woodland, lowland, and seacoast. The Big Island is home to numerous ranches. You'll see a herd of cows below. They look like ants. There are no dairy cows on the island, however. The Kilauea eruption in 2018 changed the landscape of the Big Island and the lava stopped flowing. On August 1, 2019, Hawaiian Volcano Observatory scientists confirmed a growing pond of water inside Halomau's crater during a helicopter overflight. The lake is now the size of a football field, about 360 feet long by 164 feet wide and about 65 feet deep. rising the bottom of the former Hello Mau Mau crater. The water pond at the bottom of the crater is about 158 degrees Fahrenheit. To be a commercial helicopter pilot in Hawaii, you need to have an impressive resume, and ours surely did. He's been a pilot in the Grand Canyon, Las Vegas, and over the glaciers in Alaska. But Hawaii, he said, was his favorite. Doesn't look like it, but ahead, there was a huge storm coming in from Hurricane Flossie, which didn't allow us to see the waterfall part of our helicopter tour. We had to turn around and go back to the helipad. Summit where there are protesters. They don't want people to be up on the mountain because they do not want a new telescope on their sacred land. So it's not open to the public at all. The roads are closed. There are people in tents with flags, and it is an intense deal here. Nobody's allowed up on the mountain. It's a big, big deal. Closed, closed, closed. Not allowed. Porta potties, protesters, tents, flags. But such a bummer that we're not able to go up there now because of the protest. So we had this whole evening plan that we wanted to go see the sunset on the summit and then do some stargazing because it's supposed to be amazing up there, but we'll have to come back and give us an opportunity to see it in the future. Thanks for watching Quantifiable Adventures. Like and subscribe to see more.